In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Canva. Flipping an image is a simple but really useful trick, especially if you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any kind of visual project. It lets you quickly change the direction your subject is facing, balance your layout, or create a mirrored effect without any complicated editing tools. First, make sure you're already inside your Canva design with the image you want to flip. This could be a photo you've uploaded, an image from Canva's library, or any graphic element on your page. Once you're in your design, start by clicking directly on the image you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see a box or outline appear around it, with little handles or circles on the corners and sides. If you have several items close together, zoom in a bit and make sure you're clicking the exact image you want, not the background or a text box. With the image selected, look at the toolbar that appears above the design area. This is where Canva shows all the options related to whatever you have selected. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Flip. It's usually near tools like Crop, Rotate, or Edit Image. Go ahead and click on the Flip button. If you don't see it right away, double check that your image is still selected, because the Flip option only appears when an element that can be flipped is active. After you click Flip, Canva will show you a couple of choices. To flip your image side to side, choose the option that says Flip Horizontally. The moment you click this, you'll see your image instantly mirror itself from left to right. For example, if a person in the photo was facing to the right, they'll now be facing to the left. Take a second to look at how the flipped image fits into your design. Sometimes a simple horizontal flip can make your layout feel more balanced or help direct the viewer's eye toward your text or main message. If you don't like how it looks, you can always undo the change using the undo button at the top, or just repeat the same steps to flip it back. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your image,